Hi, 6th graders. This is your Waves summative for science class. I'm going to read the test to you. You can pause at any time to complete a question and then press play when you're ready to move on. We're going to start by putting your name on this paper and a period number. Let's look at question number 1. Question number 1 says the arrow shows and you're going to choose amplitude or wavelength. So what is this showing? Number 2, the arrow here shows the amplitude or wavelength. You'll choose one and complete the question for this arrow. Double check your answers for questions 1 and 2. Question 3 says circle the picture with the most frequency or highest frequency. So you're going to look at each wave, A, B, C, and you're going to circle whichever wave has the highest or most frequency. Go ahead and do that. The next part of the test is all about reflection and refraction. So you're going to choose which one based off the picture or question. All right, this says, this picture shows, you'll choose reflection or refraction. The next picture shows reflection or refraction. You will choose and write it in the line. Reflection or refraction. Then, this sentence you need to finish with either reflection or refraction. Light waves bend because of, you will choose reflection or refraction. Double check your answers for these 3 questions. Question 5 says, the colors of the rainbow are ordered from longest to shortest blank. You need to fill in that blank. So how are the colors ordered? From longest to shortest, you'll write that in. Then you will explain further. Why is red on the top? Red is the blank, and purple is the blank. This is all about why the colors are Roy G. Biv. You will complete these 2 sentences now. Read through your sentences and make sure they are correct. The next part of the test, question 6, asks you to look at a blue t-shirt. Then you will fill in this question. When light hits the blue t-shirt, the color blank is being reflected. So what is being reflected? And blank are absorbed. You will fill in that line with what is being absorbed. Go ahead and write in and complete your sentences now. Read through your sentences for question 6. Make sure they make sense. Question 7 asks you to look at 3 waves, A, B, or C. It says which wave below A, B, or C has the fastest wave speed. So which wave is the fastest, A, B, or C? Write your answer here. Double check your answer for question 7. The last part of the test asks you to put the steps of how sound travels in order. You will write 1, 2, 3, or 4 on these lines in order to put the steps of how sound travels in order. I will read each step out loud. Sound energy stops or is heard. Sound energy stops or is heard. Is that 1, 2, 3, or 4? The sound source makes a disturbance. The sound source makes a disturbance. Is that 1, 2, 3, or 4? Write your answer here. The nearby particles vibrate. The nearby particles vibrate. Is that 1, 2, 3, or 4? The last one says, the particles vibrate again and pass energy. The particles vibrate again and pass energy. Is that 1, 2, 3, or 4? Look over your steps and make sure Each one has the correct number next to it. Go ahead and look over your test. If you think it is complete and you have done the best you can, you may turn it in. You can replay this video at any time. Good luck!